Next, you need to get your files for your custom theme and your plugins up onto your server. And so the first thing you need to do is unzip the download file that you got when you purchased this, and it'll be called, it'll just be a zip folder, and it'll be called whatever, usually the name of your blog. And you want to just do extract all, and that just pulls it all out into a directory. And inside there, you'll find your custom theme. All the files for that are inside this folder here. The graphics, and also you'll get the JPEG and also the PSD files. The plugins are all in this directory, and then your license and your setup guide. The setup guide is basically just what all these videos, the same thing as these videos, but inside there you might also find the code, some of the code for some of the products on your sidebar, so it might be worth it to flip that open and look in there. So once you have those extracted, you want to go over to your FTP program. I'm using FileZilla, and you want to FTP to your server. Now, usually you'll get the FTP information when you sign up for hosting. If you have cPanel, a lot of times it's the same as your cPanel login. So what you want to do is you want to fill in your information, and then you want to FTP to the server. And the way this FileZilla works, and most FTP programs are this way too, on the right hand side is all the files on your server, and on the left over here are the files on your C drive. So what you want to do is you want to go on your C drive, you want to go into the directory that you just unzipped that has all the files for your new blog, and over here on your server you're going to click into this public_HTML. Now if you have shared hosting where you can add add-on domains and have more than one domain on the same hosting account, what you might find in here is you'll probably see all these files if you have WordPress installed on your main domain, because right directly inside the public_HTML is the main domain, the first one that you signed up for hosting with. But if you've added on other domains, you're going to find these folders inside, because that's how they do it with the shared hosting. Each domain is going to be inside a folder. So if you're not installing this blog on your main domain, on the first website, you're going to want to look for the folder that has the URL. It'll usually be the URL of the site, and you're going to want to click into there. And inside, you'll actually, this one's empty because I just want to show you what the folders look like, but inside you'll find all these same files if you've already installed WordPress, because this is the WordPress install. So what you want to do is go to the appropriate folder or your main directory, and you want to click into the WP content folder, and then you're going to click into the plugins, and you'll see these three files are usually in there by default. Now you want to go over onto your left side, which is your computer, and you're going to click into plugins. Now these are the plugins that came with your blog, PLR blog that you bought, and there may be more plugins than this or less depending on the version, whatever style blog that you bought. What you want to do is you want to pull these all over onto your server, and you'll see them all appear on the right hand side. Now when those are done, you want to go up one level, and you want to go into the themes directory, and then over here too you're going to go up, and you're going to take this custom theme folder and you're going to pull that right in, and that's all the files for your custom theme. And once all those files are uploaded, you're ready to go on to the next step.